In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Trello API key. If you're venturing into developing integrations or power-ups for Trello, having your API key is a vital first step. Let's dive right into the process so you can start making the most of Trello's API capabilities. First, you'll need to navigate to a specific URL, which is trello.com/app-key. Simply open the web browser of your choice and type in this address. This page is essential as it houses the tools necessary for accessing your Trello API key. Once you are on the page, you might be prompted to log into your Trello account. If this happens, enter your usual Trello credentials to proceed. This authentication step is crucial to ensure that the subsequent actions are being undertaken by an authorized Trello user. After logging in successfully, keep an eye out for the option that says Go to Power Up Admin Portal. This is your gateway to creating new integrations and power-ups, pivotal for any advanced operation you're hoping to engage in with Trello's API. Inside the Power-Up admin portal, look for the button that says New. It's time to create a new power-up or integration. You'll be required to fill out some necessary fields. These include the integration name, email, support, and name fields. Make sure the information you provide is accurate and reflective of the project you're working on, as this will not only maintain order but will also prevent potential issues later on. With those fields filled, proceed by clicking Create. This action sets the groundwork for your integration or power-up, essentially registering it with Trello systems. Next, navigate to the API Key tab within the same portal. This is where the magic happens. Click on the Generate button, and voila, your unique API key is now created. This key is crucial. It enables communication between your application or power-up and Trello, allowing you to harness the platform's full potential. Finally, make sure to copy this API key. Safeguarding your key is vital. It's unique to you and should be treated with the same care as a password. You'll want to paste this key into the relevant places in your development environment or wherever Trello integration is needed. And that wraps it up. Now you have your Trello API key and are equipped to embark on your development journey, unlocking enhanced functionality and possibilities within Trello. Remember to keep your API key secure and you're all set. Enjoy exploring the new capabilities at your fingertips.